1980 Ferrari 308 GT4 Dyno. Price, $37,500. Location, Vermont. The 1980 Ferrari 308 GT4 Dyno is a rare and fascinating chapter in the history of Ferrari, blending innovation, bold design, and unmistakable performance into one unique package. Finished in elegant Argento with a deep Bordeaux interior, this car immediately stands out as something different from the traditional Ferrari lineup of its era. With just under 30,000 miles on the odometer, it carries both history and potential in equal measure. The story of the 308 GT4 is one of transformation. It was the first production Ferrari to feature a V8 engine, marking a major shift from the brand's signature V12 heritage. Not only that, it also introduced a mid-engine layout and a practical to configuration, offering space for passengers without sacrificing performance. Powered by a 2.9-liter V8 with 4 carburetors and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers a raw, analog driving experience that modern cars simply cannot replicate. The design is equally groundbreaking. Penned by Marcello Gondini from Bertone, the 308 GT4 features sharp, angular lines that set it apart from the curvier Ferraris designed by Pininfarina. Its wedge-shaped profile, pop-up headlights, black impact bumpers, and quad exhaust outlets give it a bold, aggressive stance that continues to gain appreciation among collectors today. The interior reflects a classic Ferrari driving environment with a touch of practicality. The Bordeaux cabin offers a 2+2 seating layout, complete with Veglia instrumentation, air conditioning, power windows, and a Momo steering wheel. Every detail inside speaks to a time when driving was purely mechanical and engaging, yet still comfortable enough for longer journeys. The condition of this particular example makes it especially interesting. Currently not running, it requires both mechanical and cosmetic restoration before returning to the road. However, this also presents a unique opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own a piece of Ferrari history at a more accessible price point. Projects like this often become passion builds, where the journey of restoration is just as rewarding as the final result. The 308 GT4 Dyno is more than just a classic car, it's a symbol of Ferrari's willingness to innovate and take risks. For collectors, it offers rarity and historical significance. For enthusiasts, it promises a driving experience rooted in authenticity. And for the right buyer, this could be the beginning of an incredible automotive story waiting to be written.